In this video, I will show you how to buy Cardano using your credit and/or debit card on Binance. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to the top left and then go over to buy crypto. Here you need to select the credit/debit card option. You'll then be sent over to this page. And the first thing you need to do is to select the currency you want to spend. To select the currency, you need to click on this button. I'll go with Euro, but you can select any cryptocurrency on this list. But like I said, I'll go with Euro. And once you have set the spend currency, you'll now need to go over to Receive, click on Bitcoin, and then click on Cardano. And once you have selected Cardano, you can go over to the spend and fill in the amount of fiat currency you would like to spend on buying Cardano. For me that will be 150 euros. You will also see that for this amount of euros, I'll get 127.5 Cardano in return. And what you need to do now is to click on the Continue button. And you'll then see this Pay with credit card/debit card. And below that you'll see the cards that you have set up. Now, if you want to set up a new card, you can click on Change Card and then click on Add New Card. The name will be locked, but other than that, you can fill in the card number, expire date and the security code. Once you have filled those in, you can click on Next, and you'll then need to go through step 2. This is to verify your new card. Once you've done that, you can select your new card right here, and then click on Confirm. You'll now need to go ahead and click on Continue, and then the last and final thing you need to do is to fill in your security code. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.